drove it up. Get the treat, Daisy. Is there another one in here? She got them all.
Both of them out? Yeah. Put that in here. Put this in here. There you go.
She got one already. Can she get the other one in time?